Marlboro cigarettes brand is from United States. Mond cigarettes brand is from UAE. Galicious cigarettes brand is from France. SA cigarettes brand is from South Korea. Bond cigarettes brand is from UK. Samporna cigarettes brand is from Indonesia. Bahman cigarettes brand is from Iran. Prince cigarettes brand is from Denmark. Makoni cigarettes brand is from Poland. Peace cigarettes brand is from Japan. Karelia cigarettes brand is from Greece. John Silver cigarettes brand is from Sweden. Hangstashan cigarettes brand is from China. Hemat cigarettes brand is from Switzerland. Goldflake cigarettes brand is from India. Cleopatra cigarettes brand is from Egypt. Jarum cigarettes brand is from Indonesia. Bowling Gold cigarettes brand is from Philippines. Winfield cigarettes brand is from Australia. Benson cigarettes brand is from UK. Smoke cigarettes brand is from Italy. Prima cigarettes brand is from Ukraine. Thang Long cigarettes brand is from Vietnam. Parliament cigarettes brand is from United States. Pall Mall cigarettes brand is from UK. South cigarettes brand is from Malaysia. Belmont cigarettes brand is from Canada. Black Devil cigarettes brand is from Netherlands. Asos cigarettes brand is from Greece. Cohiba cigarettes brand is from Cuba. Davidoff cigarettes brand is from Switzerland. Derby cigarettes brand is from Brazil. Double Happiness cigarettes brand is from China. Ante 23 cigarettes brand is from Germany. Donsky Tabak cigarettes brand is from Russia. Highlight cigarettes brand is from Japan. L&M cigarettes brand is from US. Gold Leaf cigarettes brand is from Sri Lanka. Gitanes cigarettes brand is from France. Ducado cigarettes brand is from Spain. Fortune cigarettes brand is from Philippines. Royal cigarettes brand is from UAE. Tekel 2000 cigarettes brand is from Turkey. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the more videos.